Hello my friends, today I will taste and review whole milk Schoko Butterkeks that you can buy at Kaufland supermarket chain. Kaufland is located in Europe and this is their branded product. This is not just any cookies, it is cookies made in Germany. When you live in Czech Republic, you better check where the food comes from. And Kaufland is my go-to place to get German quality food. You don't want to buy any Czech food or Poland food when you live in Czechia, no offense. It is just nothing beats the German quality control. So I bought a bunch of cookies for year-end holiday and I decided to share my point of view on them with you. The first one here is called whole milk Schoko Butterkeks, or in plain English, chocolate milk crackers. And right off the bat, you see a nice design box with important informations, like it is extremely unhealthy food with E-graded Nutri-Score. There's a lot of sugar, you know. The chocolate is made from fair trade labeled cocoa, which means there was no harm done when cocoa was farmed, and 63% of cookie is made from chocolate. That is a lot, and we will see why. From nutritional standpoint, you ingest 500 calories for every 100 gram of cookies. So after eating 2.5 boxes, you can call it a day. Even 3 pieces a day can make you obese very quickly. One single piece have like 1 cube of sugar. Anyway, these cookies cost about $1, and for that price, you will get whole 125 grams of sweetness. Inside the box, there are 9 cookies, not much, but enough for a quick movie snack. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that! Chocolate covers the whole cookie and it extends over the edges. I can tell they made sure that you will get the best of the cookie by giving you more chocolate than you expected. Other manufacturers would shrink chocolate as much as possible, but not Kaufland. They even smell like a chocolate cookie. The form is big enough and chocolate does not melt on touch. As you can see, they were very generous with a chocolate layer. As for the taste, I have to admit they taste really good. The chocolate is sweet enough to not overrule the taste of the cookie. It is definitely a high quality product that you can bring on your late night Netflix session. I like it a lot, really. Chocolate on cookie is so tested and popular concept there is hardly anything that can go wrong. So that's it. I hope this video was enjoyable. Subscribe for more videos like these. Write in the comment below if you like chocolate covered cookies, and I wish you a great day.